Hi, it's Melissa from the AC Library, and in this video I'll show you how to use limiters in EBSCO databases. In the last video of this series, I showed you how to get everything set up here, but before we hit search, I want to limit by date to get newer sources. I usually don't worry with the publication month here, and if I simply enter the earliest publication year that I want, the system will know that I want everything published from that year to now. I don't have to put the current year here. Usually instructors will accept sources that are no more than 5 years old. Now, depending on what EBSCO database you're using, your screen may not look exactly like mine. Not all of the databases allow searching by the same criteria. You might see additional options or fewer than what you see on my screen now. If you ever see something you're not sure about, be sure to ask us in the library. Now, looking at my screen, because I came up with so many synonyms myself for my search terms, I don't think I need the system to also come up with related words. And I think my best bet is to search by keyword, which is what I told the system to do up here with select a field. But after I hit search, if I realize I don't have enough search results and need more articles, I can always use these two commands here, which will expand the search. And by the way, you can get to all of these limiters later after you've run your search. This full text option should already be checked. Make sure it is though. This means that you'll only see what we have full access to at AC. It's frustrating to see an article summarized that would be perfect, but then not be able to get the full article itself. If your instructor requires you to get peer-reviewed or scholarly articles, you can select this. Essentially, this means that before the article was published, experts in the field reviewed it for accuracy and validity. It'll be of high quality. But unless your instructor requires this, it's probably not necessary to click it. Anything you find in these databases should be a good, trustworthy source. If you can't read articles written in the Afrikaans language, you might want to select your language of choice here. Sometimes instructors require you to only use articles that are at least a certain number of pages. Or after you've run your search, you might find that you're only getting articles that are a page or two long, not giving you enough information to be useful. So you can set that now. One last thing. I happen to be in Academic Search Complete, which you can now see here, where the database name will always appear with EBSCO. But what if I realize that I might find good articles in other databases? My topic is childhood obesity, and I might find good sources in the medical ones. With EBSCO searching, you can choose to search in multiple EBSCO databases at once by clicking here. The one you're currently in will automatically be checked, but you can also check off other ones to try. Here are a couple of medical ones that we use a lot. Now I bet you're ready to actually search. That's what we'll do in the next video entitled After You Hit Enter or Search Results.